In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website with Lovable AI. Whether you're starting a new online store or revamping an existing one, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly, ensuring your store stands out and operates smoothly from start to finish. To begin, you'll want to log into your Lovable AI account. Once you're in, it's time to start a new project. Select an e-commerce template that suits your brand's style and needs. Lovable AI offers various well-designed templates that can cater to different aesthetics and business requirements. Choosing the right template sets the tone for your store and simplifies customization down the line. Next, you'll move on to customizing your product pages, categories, and payment options. With Lovable AI's robust AI tools at your disposal, this process becomes quite intuitive. As you customize your product pages, think about what information your customers need up front. Clear descriptions, standout images, and concise categories can make shopping seamless. For payment options, select choices that your target market prefers, ensuring the checkout process is smooth and trustworthy. Now, it's time to add some visual appeal to your store. Upload product images. Make sure they're high quality and showcase your products from different angles. Pair them with descriptive text that highlights key features and benefits, enticing potential buyers. Don't forget to set accurate pricing, ensuring it's competitive yet profitable. Proceed by integrating payment gateways and shipping options. Lovable AI simplifies this by offering integrations with popular gateways, making secure transactions effortless. It's vital to provide multiple payment options like credit cards, PayPal, or other local preferences to cater to a wider audience. For shipping, outline options and potential costs clearly, whether it's local delivery, international shipping, or expedited options, ensuring transparency with customers. Before you finalize everything, take the time to preview and test your online store thoroughly. This step is crucial to catch any inconsistencies or errors. Navigate through your store as a customer would. Add items to the cart, proceed to checkout, and ensure each link works flawlessly. Testing helps iron out kinks and assures a seamless shopping experience, which can drastically improve customer satisfaction and conversion rates. Finally, once everything looks perfect and operates smoothly, it's time to publish or export your e-commerce website for hosting. With Lovable AI, you can either host directly on their platform or export your entire site for